In this video, we want to take a look how to create swatches, color swatches, image swatches. Let's say this is a product where we want to show it on. First of all, I will go to our Act dashboard. I can click the button Create Field, and on the right side, we will find the product options. Now I have to click Next, and the Create page will open up. And here we can already find the option Swatch. I will click on that. After then, I will click on the pencil to go into the detail settings. And here we can already get started. We can write a heading or can add our first swatches. Then in our case, we want to add 3 swatches. We can also define the size of it. In my case, let's go with the medium size. And we can now whether go with colors by clicking here. You can have a color picker and you can define the color. But you can also do the following. That's first of all, maybe you need here gold, silver, bronze, and you can also upload an image. So in my case, let's go with gold, silver, and bronze, this one. That's fine. We want to have whether a circle or a square shape. In my case, I like the circle one. We can also pre-select an entry, and this will be marked as pre-select, but in my case, we don't need that. And we can now close it again, scroll down to the targeting option, and can say we want to show it on a specific product. In my case, the Textbox t-shirt. Can save it. You can see we also have to enter a unique field name. In my case, let's call it swatches. We will click the save button. Now the feed is being created. We can see it here. We go back to the product page. We refresh it. And here we go. Here we can see, here are the respective swatches, and we can use them. We can check out with them, and the respective color will be overtaken also to cart and check out. It will be easy for you to know what your customer has ordered.